Excuse me. Too much to say. Wow. I have one. Excuse me. And two. I've been talking so. Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. We have 63 days to go. Whoa. Once I get over my allergic reaction.
You got some water? One thing you know from my doctor's letter is I have seasonal allergies. We went back and looked. I had the same problem last Labor Day.
Do you think it'll be difficult?
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
You all right? you coughing like you got some medicinal.
Yeah, I need some. My voice is failing here, but
What's something that you always carry with you?
hot sauce.
Really?
Yeah.
Hot sauce in my bag, Swag?
Hot sauce.
Really?
Yes.
Now listen, I
yes.
just want you to know, people are going to see this and say, okay, she's pandering to black people again.
Okay. Is it working?